Welcome guys, this is one of my top-notch strategy I'm about to teach you guys. So only two indicators you need what? Only two indicators. So this particular strategy has been paying very well, so I decided to share it with you guys. So pay attention, understand every bit of this strategy, how to set up the indicator and how to apply it. Do you understand? So once you understand how to set up the indicator and the correct way to apply it, your trading history will change. So pay attention, understand every bit of it. So for that, I will be deleting the current settings here. So this is what a naked chart on my screen now. So we start by setting up the indicators. Like as I said, we need what? Only two indicators. RSI indicator and what? Alligator indicator. These are what? The only two indicators we need to make it what? Massive. So here now, this is a volatility channel. Then the time frame is 1 hour time frame. So whatever strategy you are making use of on this channel, make sure you pay attention to the pair involved and the time frame involved. Do you understand? It matters a lot, because once you alter any of them, you will not get similar results. So let's start from setting up the indicators. So what you need to do is to go to F, click on F. So the first indicator we need to insert is what? RSI. That is the first indicator we need to insert. So you click on FI sign. So locate RSI indicator, which is a relative strength index indicator. So on my screen now, this is a relative strength index indicator. So you click on it. So this is what the default settings on your own screen. Default setting of RSI is this. Do you understand? So let's start setting it up now. So first of all, you change the period from 14 to 1. Do you understand? So change it to 1. This is what the only settings for RSI. You click what? Done. Now the second indicator is alligator indicator. Alligator indicator, that is what? The second indicator. Now pay attention, I want to show you something. This is for you to insert the second indicator, which is a alligator indicator. This is where you are going to click. This is what? Where I want you to click. Don't click on the main chart. Do you understand? You click on the indicator window 1. Do you understand? So watch out how it is done. You click here. Do you understand? So you locate in alligator indicator. So on my screen now, this is a alligator indicator here. This is what? Alligator indicator. So you click on it. So pay attention. This is what the default setting for alligator indicator. So I want you to pay attention, understand how the setting is being done. Do you understand? This is what the default setting on your screen. This is what I'm going to see. So we want to set it up. Do you understand? So pay attention, understand every bit. You can write it down or screenshot it so that you don't make mistakes. So the first thing is to change the jaws period. The jaws period changes from 13 to 50. That is the number one thing. Do you understand? So the second thing is, second setting is what? Leaves period. Look at this. This leaves period. Leaves period. Do you understand? Change it from 5 to 20. Do you understand? Now the next settings, the next thing is method. Method changes from smooth to simple. Do you understand? So the third thing is apply to close. Do you understand? So the next thing is just style. Change the color to red. Now tuned style, change the color to white. Now the essence of this white is we don't want it to appear on our screen. Do you understand? So we change it to the color of our screen background. My screen background is white, so that is why I change it to white. If yours is black, you change it to black. Do you understand? So this is all about the settings for alligator indicator. So once you are done setting up this way, you click on done. So let's go back to our chart so that you will see how to use this indicator. Now pay attention on my screen. Now you are seeing two lines, red line and green line of what? Alligator indicator. Now this is how to make use of this indicator. Pay attention. Once the red line of alligator crosses, once it crosses above, that is what? The red line. Okay, let's start from green line. Once the green line crosses above, like here, this is what? A buy signal. This is what? A buy signal. So from the point where the crossing occur, I want you to do what? Buy there. So from this point, this is where the crossing occur. The green line of alligator indicator crosses the red line. So that is what? A clear buy signal. Do you understand? And this is what? Excess profit for you. Do you understand? So we proceed. We do what? We proceed. Now look at this. Now see, this is a lot of profit. Look at it. The green line of alligator is still above, and you see how it's moving. Now this is where the crossing occur. The green line crosses the red line downward, whereby the red line of alligator is above. So this is what? A clear sell. So from this point of crossing here, I want you to sell. Do you understand? As easy as that. I want you to sell from the point of crossing. So from the point where the crossing occur, that is where I want you to sell. So this is where the crossing occur here. Are you seeing it? So I want you to make a sell entry here. And this is what? XX profit. As easy as that. So we proceed. We proceed. Are you seeing it? Now another crossing occur here. Look at it. So the green line crosses the red line above. So I want you to make your buy entry here. Do you understand? So you make your buy entry from the point where the crossing occur. So this is it. Make your buy entry here. And this is what? Excess profit. As easy as that. So guys, this strategy pays a lot. Do you understand? So understand how it is being done. This is the volatility 10 index. The time frame is a 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? Apply it the way it is, the same time frame, the same pair, and you will get similar result. Do you understand? So don't forget, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Thank you.